guys, it's Midnight the Nightlight, and today I'm going to be doing the Icestorm Island expansion pack with Moondust here. And I think we have to go to the headmaster first, so that's where we're going to go. My voice might sound a bit odd since I'm kind of sick, but it's fine, everything's fine, I'm good. Hello, sir. I think it's this one. Yeah, okay, it might be this one. Okay. Find bucket at back. Let's go to back then. Okay, we're at Burke, so now we're going to go find Bucket, wherever in Valhalla Bucket is. Where are you, Bucket? Where are you and your bucket on your head? Where are you? It says he's right here, but I don't see him. Buckety, where are you, dear Bucket? I can't find you. What? This is the thing about meeting people in Burke. They always go to the furthest place in Burke so that you can travel a lot, I guess. Where are you? Okay, guys, I'm gonna check back on you when I find Bucket. Oh, there he is. Never mind. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, there's the baby! It's so cute! Okay, what is it, Bucket? Goodness, what a scary moment! I was on my way from Burke to the School of Dragons when the inside of my ship suddenly exploded in ice. Will you help me figure out what happened? Jump on the broken shards of my ship. The broken shards of a ship? Is that a baby dragon moon like Glimmer Galaxy? Yeah, I haven't changed it to Midnight the Midnight the Nightlight yet, so it's still Moonlight Glimmer Galaxy. Oh, a trader told me I picked up an orb of frozen features. It must have been a dragon egg. Can you tap on the baby dragon and lead him to Hiccup? Sure thing. Come here, little baby. Come here. Follow me. Let's go. We're going to Hiccup. Going to Hiccup. Follow me, little one. We're going to Hiccup. Are you behind me? Okay, cool. So we're just gonna... no. Oh, okay. Come on, baby. Come on. Hurry. Why are you sitting there? Okay, come on, little one. We're going to Hiccup. We're going to Hiccup. Okay, I'm just gonna walk since this little guy is refusing to keep up with me. Oh, it's me in the sky. Okay, so let's get going. We're going to Hiccup. We're going to Hiccup. We're going to Hiccup. Yeah, Hiccup, Hiccup, Hiccup. Where the heck is Hiccup? 'Cause he's so far away. Why, Hiccup, why? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry I'm rambling on. I'm just really bored walking around. And there's nothing else to really... He's right there. Okay, like I was saying, there's nothing else to really say. So, okay, so we're approaching Hiccup. You stupid little baby. Ugh. Look at his little face. He's just like, I'm lazy. Am I, okay, I think I'm going the wrong way. I swear, I'm gonna have to do that a few more times. I'm gonna lose it. Follow me. Please do not be a lazy baby. No. Wait, where is Hiccup? What if he's not at his usual place thingy? a chest. Oh. No, thank you. Wait. I want another stable. Okay. Ooh, I got a new stable! Yay! And it's for a cheap price. Hello, Hiccupy. Wow, what an amazing fella. Hey there, little guy. I've never seen a dragon like this before. He looks a little bit like a Groncicle, but clearly he's a new species. He looks like a Groncicle made out of icicles. Maybe he could be called a Groncicle. Oh, Hiccup with the little puns. Well, what an interesting little guy. I can't wait to learn more about him. Will you tell Mulch what's going on? Maybe he can help Bucket to get back on his feet. Okay, come on girl, we're going to find Mulch. Where is Mulch? Mulch. There's the little chubby man with the name of Mulch. Where are you? What? Please do not be all the way again. What? Okay, I'm going up here. Okay, it wants me to go this way. You know, my guess is he's right by that dude. Of course he is. Hey dude, what happened? I'm sure we can figure out something. I'm sure we can figure something out for my bucketed friend. I'm sure you and Hiccup will find out the situation with the baby dragon. You always do. I know, we're such good experts. Now where do I go? Okay, I'm going to go back to the headmaster and see if there's the Icestorm Island quest thingy. Because I did buy the expansion pack. So I'm not really sure what to do next. Let me just key. Hello, my friend. Burkard, help needed. No, thank you. I think it might be with Hiccup. Yeah, because he's sitting with Hiccup, so it's obviously with Hiccup. Silly me. Yes. Our frozen friend doesn't look so good. Maybe he's hungry. Okay, I need a brown trout. So let's go fishing. Yay! Fishing, because everyone loves to fish. I actually really do like fishing in real life though. But every time I catch a fish, I always like feel so bad for it. So I just throw it back in the water. Okay, once I caught the brown trout, I'll show you guys and we can do this again. I just realized there aren't any fish jumping out of any brown trout jumping out here, so I think I'm gonna have to go fish somewhere else since this is salt water, I think, and the brown trout are in fresh water. So there's a brown trout. Okay. So I'm gonna go try catch a brown trout in the wilderness since it isn't really working here. So again, annoying music, go. so it doesn't really look like there are any freaking brown sharks here, so we're gonna have to buy one. Yay! Spending diamonds, what everyone wants to do. And the thing I've noticed is I try to buy membership with the diamonds, but they don't have that option for me anymore, so I think they might have removed it in like one of the newest updates. I'm not exactly sure when, but they probably did. What? Whatever. It's fine. I get a dragon for this. It's fine. Okay, let's go to the little ice Gronkle. What are they gonna be called? Like Groncicles? I just hate that name so much. So I hope it's something different than Groncicle. You picky little baby. Why do you just want brown trout? One of the most expensive fish there are. I guess he's... What? I guess he's not hungry. What's wrong with little guy? He looks kind of sad. I've got it. Let's get him some dragonip. That's always does the trick. You can grow some dragonip in your farm or purchase them from Johan. More money spending! Yay! I don't want to spend more money. Oh! It's just one diamond. It's fine. Wait a second. Oh, you can buy it for that. Okay. Do you hear my dogs barking? Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's actually called a Groncicle. Here you go. He doesn't want the dragonip either. Poor little guy. He must be sick. Sick dragons should drink plenty of water and stay hydrated. I think Bucket was filling some water by the school lake earlier today. Will you go see and find one filled water? Sure. That's a lot of water buckets. He's probably not going to drink this either, is he? He's going to be like, no, I want my mommy. Kidnappers. I mean, I get you, little dude. I wouldn't want water and food from strangers either, thanks. Oh, he does want it. Okay, we're starting the quest. Actually, I think I'm going to end it here today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching the first episode of Icestorm Island with the Groncicle.